Hey fam, today we're going to go ahead and make these big smoked turkey legs, and we're going to make them amusement park and festival style. You know those smoked turkey legs that you stand in that long line for, and it tastes so delicious. So these are still frozen. I just went on ahead and took them out the freezer, and we don't want all the salt that you normally would keep on these turkey legs. So we're going to go ahead and boil them because our store didn't have just the regular turkey leg version. They only had the smoked ones, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. Now you're going to boil these turkey legs a few times to make sure you get all that salt off of it. Now what you see right here is the first boil. Now we normally will keep that and use that flavor for our collard greens or our red beans and rice. But we're going to go ahead and drain that water off, add some new water to the pot, and repeat the process until you see the water boils and there's not really nothing coming out anymore. Now for the smoked turkey legs, we're going to go ahead and season them up, and we're going to give them a sweet and spicy feel. We have some brown sugar. We're going to add enough of this jalapeno powder because this jalapeno powder, depending on how much you add, can be spicy. And then you still going to add some of your favorite turkey seasonings, some garlic powder. And I'm going to add a good amount of that sage because that sage is going to bring out that good flavor of the turkey. We have some onion powder, and then we have a smokehouse seasoning. It's for steak, but we pretty much use it for everything. It goes good with pretty much any meat. So we're going to add a good enough of that as well. Stir your rub up, taste it, and see if you need something else. If you want to add a little bit more sweet, a little bit more spicy, a little bit more savory, do it now. Alright, so let's go ahead and prep these turkey legs for the oven. Now, before you put your seasoning on top of the turkey leg, you're going to go in with your knife and just poke it a couple times. And then we're going to make sure that all of that rub we just made get nice and inside that turkey leg while it's cooking. Give your smoked turkey leg that bath for those seasonings. And I mean rub it down and squeeze all of them seasonings into that turkey leg. Don't be shy. Don't be scared to rub it down. That's why we boiled all that salt out first, so that way we can control the seasonings right here. And it's going to be delicious. This is the fun part. We can go ahead and now wrap them seasoned turkey legs in our foil. And you want to make sure you get some nice heavy duty foil because they're going to be in the oven for about 3 hours and we don't need no issues. How cool do these turkey legs look in that foil? It feel like you about to go camping or just something. You just feel like you special about to eat this big old turkey leg like a king and queen that you are. We just took these turkey legs out the oven and we cannot wait to go ahead and see the final reveal. Now you definitely want to make sure you line these turkey legs with a pan because there was some seepage. That brown sugar did not want to stay inside. Now carefully go ahead and unwrap your foil because you know it's going to be steaming underneath. And we're going to go ahead and see what these turkey legs looking like. The skin looks nice and caramelized. I can see that steakhouse seasoning on top from the rub. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we've been waiting on. And we're going to go ahead and taste this. Now you definitely can eat this for Thanksgiving as a substitute for not eating a regular turkey, or if you don't want any turkey wings. So you decide. You want to eat a whole turkey wings, or a big old turkey leg. Okay. Now definitely next time I do want to get the regular version of the turkey because with the smoked turkey the skin can be a little bit more tougher. So once you get past the skin and get on the inside, you're golden. And the kids came out running after these turkey legs came out the oven because they've been wanting to try them too, especially with them filling up the house with that nice good aroma. Until next time, y'all, we hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and on Facebook because when we're not on YouTube, you can definitely catch us there posting and commenting with you all too. Our links are in the description box, so make sure you come and check us out. See y'all later. Bye.
Say that.
Say it.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.